Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the V011 Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just someone who wants to keep an eye on your car's health, this compact and affordable device promises to be your new best friend. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's see what's inside and take a quick look at the design. Right out of the box, you get the V011 scanner itself, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. That's it, super simple. The V011 is small and compact with a matte black finish. It's lightweight but feels sturdy. Installing the V011 is a breeze. All you need to do is locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, which is typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Once you plug it in, the next step is to pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Let's do that now. The V011 pairs with most OBD2 apps available on the App Store and Google Play, including popular options like Torque, Car Scanner, and OBD Auto Doctor. Just connect, launch your app, and you're ready to go. Comprehensive Vehicle System Diagnosis Best View OBD Scanner provides the basic core functions, including checking and clearing mil codes, reading live data, turning off the check engine light cell, reporting battery and charging system voltage, trip data, and vehicle performance benchmarks. OBD scanners make it simple to monitor and maintain your vehicle's health. Highly recommended for DIY mechanics. 35,000 plus DTC lookup. This car code reader has over 35,000 plus fault code libraries that you can quickly identify what exactly is wrong and how it can be fixed. The app has a built-in Google search engine to search for DTC definitions. After completing the inspection, the car scanner will directly display the fault code and meanings based on the built-in database. Automotive compatibility. The V011 OBD2 scanner supports over 96% of car makes and models. Support year differing from 1996 to now and 9 OBD2 protocols. It works in English, German, Spanish, Finnish, French, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, and Chinese. Customer first, service foremost. BestView offers a lifetime replacement against any manufacturing defects. If you are not satisfied for any reason, just reach out to us and we will be happy to resolve any issue you may face. Pros: affordability, ease of use, comprehensive features. Cons: app compatibility, not as advanced as high-end scanners. Overall, the V011 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is an excellent tool for the everyday car owner. Whether you're just curious about your car's health or want to save some money diagnosing minor issues before heading to the mechanic, this scanner gives you a lot of value for the price. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car-related content. And if you've tried the V011 or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.